Hi guys, this is how I make slime. First, you need a bowl, a spoon, glue, and some activator, which I will post a video on how to make it, but let's do the slime part. First, you add any glue. Glue sticks doesn't work with this recipe, but I can make a glue stick slime tutorial. But first, add any bottle glue into your bowl. So add as much as you want of glue. I just added a little bit because I want a little slime. Oh, and food dye is optional. So if you want to add color, you can. So any color. I use a lot, so there's yellow and green. I might want to do a green slime, so let's add it. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, now just grab a spoon. A spoon or like any mixing tool. You can also use a mixer. Then mix it good. So after it's mixed in, you can add shaving cream if you want a fluffy slime. But I'm gonna do a glossy slime. Okay, and this is how to do the activator. 1 cup of hot or warm water, anything works. Okay, after that, grab a teaspoon and add borax in it. After you've done that, kind of mix it a little bit. And then just add some of this to your slime. You might need more than just 1 scoop. Okay, so mine took a little bit, but blended it out pretty good. Mine needed a lot of activator, but it's because it's not like an Elmer's glue. But I hope you guys found this helpful. Bye guys. Oh, and on my channel, I'll post a video on how